all I done was take a couple of pieces of extra fondant that was laying around. You don't even need to roll it out. You just take it with your fingers, press, and then you can come on and just push it down inside. Garbage. We have garbage. And then you want some down around the edges, and we'll do that actually when we put it onto our campsite. And so that's how we got to here.
Yay.
Except for dusting. Don't forget to dust. Come back in, because right now he's just like nothing.
I just have some cookie crumbs here. These are, you can use graham cracker crumbs or cookie crumbs. These are actually sugar cookie crumbs that I had left over. I had some leftover sugar cookies from a class, so I just grind those up sometimes. And you can use those. And we also have some Oreo type cookies or dark cake crumbs that we might put around the border also.
Yep.
We might. We haven't
might.
decided.
We haven't decided.
Right.
Right. Okay.
We do a quick review on the spikes and the stuff.
Yeah, Peg, why don't you?
All right. Did you make the little loops? She did make the little loops, yay. All right. So let me clean up Susan's mess over here. She's spilling water.
Yeah, that's how she rolls.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm good.
Yep.
I got
just
my
gotta
mess over here.
Keep rolling.
All right. So review. She took, what was this, Susan?
Extruder.
And she put the rope disc in it. She rolled it out, and then she made the rope. It makes 3 little lines, and then she just twisted it. And so the little pegs go down in, and the rope comes around it here. We have the same thing because the tent has to have something to hold it open and into the ground, and so the pegs would do that, although they would always go this way. Susan?
I know, but it's too hard to get them to go that way in this amount of time.
Okay, well, we'll just go. Hold on. There we go.
This is where the fight begins.
All of a sudden, she's a camper.
That's right.
I've been once. Doesn't that count? I've been once.
Did you actually help put the tent up?
Yes, I was actually one that washed the entire thing before we took it down too. Put it away properly.
Okay,
so why don't we bring that up front here?
Okay, they're no longer camping in the snow. Now
Yeah,
they're
no longer
camping
camping in the
in
snow.
the desert.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we'll get it there.
Oh,
We'll
I
get
know.
it there. Have
Well,
faith.
We just changed locations.
Yes, we did.
Yes. We're all over the place.
We are.
Because it could be for safari also.
Yes.
There you go.
So around the campfire, it's usually done with stones. So we're going to build a few stones. So I have the brown and I have the gray. And I want to just mix it a little bit. And I'm just going to pull it apart because I don't need them to be huge. Give it a little roll. Give it a little bit of a different shape. And then we have this great little tool. Susan, can I have the little pokey tool?
The pokey tool.
Yeah, the pokey tool.
The pokey.
The pokey.
The pokey.
Tool.
Goes with that bear.
Yeah, I know. All right, so then we're just going to do this to it. All the way around it. All right.
Can you buy that tool like that?
You
Do
can
make
buy
it
this. Actually go into the craft store, into the modeling clay department,
and ask for a pokey tool.
and ask for a pokey tool.
They'll know
Yeah.
exactly what you're talking about.
Exactly.
Sure.
We'd like that wired pokey tool,
Sure,
please.
yeah.
Yeah. And
You
so
usually
see-
have to go to more of a like art supply.
Yeah. All right, so I kind of started out round, and then as poking, give it, they're not all just, so give it some movement there. All right, and so then Susan, Campfire can go right into the middle here, or do you want
Yeah.
it more towards here?
Probably more here.
Okay, so I'm just going to place that down there. And then I'm going to continue building different sizes, and I'm going to make the ring to go all the way around.
We have a quick question.
Uh-huh.
How many people will this tent feed?
2. No, I'm just kidding.
2 people. Two very hungry people.
2 people can sleep in it.
Yep.
Good question. Go ahead, Peg. Go
I
ahead
would-
and answer.
I would easily say at least 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you come across this way first and cut in, and then you do your bottom side and then cut in. So
Your what side?
the bottom side
Okay.
of the tent, Susan.
Yeah.
The bottom side of the tent. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, gotcha. So you might get 20 out of that. 1,
No.
2, 3, 4, 5 off top. 5, 10, 15. You'd get
Yeah.
20.